Ano may tubig yun eh! Nagkakaguluhan na! Balitan, nagkakaguluhan na dito! Video ako dito. Guys, vlog ako dito, guys. Nagkakaguluhan na dito! Huwag mong guluhin yan, Timothy. Starbucks. Mama Jud! Kanina ka, Mama Jud. Pagulot ka daw. Sakit!
Magpakulot ka! Ay, ko.
Wag! Alis ka na dyan.
Ay, thank you! Ang bait mo ah.
Kay Mama. Sa iPhone na.
SpongeBob fell asleep from
Huwag mo
exhaustion
siya
and
away
missed his
ah.
stop. The bus sped
Ay,
to the title zone and stopped in front of the watermelon house. SpongeBob got off the bus.
Ulit na nga tawag dito.
SpongeBob entered the house.
Uy! Ako dito sa clock. Ikaw mag-aano. Huhukay. Bilis.
Grabbed his luggage and said goodbye
Beep,
to
beep.
Mary and left. SpongeBob.
Mas pasok si Diyos. Inuwa yung sa iPhone niya, no? Kay Mama. Beep, beep. Ikaw na maglalay. Wait lang.
SpongeBob blamed it all on being too tired from work. He hurried over to the Krusty Krab, the customer
Ano,
called SpongeBob.
naman eh, umalis nga kayo dyan. Umalis kayo dyan, hihilahin ko.
May yogurt. Saan mo na?
SpongeBob mistakenly
Wala
thought
na
it was a
to.
joke. He walked back
Bibi! Ay, may mabasura!
to the kitchen door.
Bibi!
Alis mo yung mga basura eh.
SpongeBob discovered the bulb in the kitchen.
Ganap mo yung basura.
Squashed flat by a bus. Just then, an order came in.
Basta ako nagtutulungan kay Mama Jud. Yan eh.
Krab and
Labas
the
pa.
kitchen. He asked SpongeBob
Kaya
how
kasi
much
kayo dyan.
SpongeBob looked him over carefully and asked him if he was filling in for SpongeBob.
Ayun na, umaaway sila.
SpongeBob said he'd never taken a vacation in his life.
Papalo ka.
Yan!
SpongeBob that he had the wrong order because Krabby Patties
Ito
are
na,
also
na. Ito Mama. Dito sila, Mama. Dito sila. Ito po. Ito na ang say-tailing, oh. Ito na ang say-tailing, oh.
SpongeBob noticed that the yum bucket across the street was packed with customers. He thought his eyes must be playing tricks on him, so he went to the opticians and bought a pair of glasses. But after putting them on, his vision became even blurrier. SpongeBob spotted Patrick and Sandy across the street.
Ba't yung kamay mo yan? Kamay mo yan.
Mama.
Alis mo na kayo dyan. Bakit?
Tulak mo,
He told
tulak
them
mo.
about the strange things he'd encountered, but they didn't recognize him. SpongeBob took off his glasses and finally saw their true faces. They weren't Sandy and Patrick at all. SpongeBob's worldview completely collapsed. He ran around the streets screaming. Nearby appeared Harry's gym, Mrs. Gruff's biking school, and the Groovy Groupers. SpongeBob decided to go seek his parents' help, but Lemonhouse appeared here. He reassured himself that his parents had just moved to a new house. After
Labas mo na
reading
ngayon
the
mga
shot
lakas.
into his
Labas mo
eyes,
na yung mga
SpongeBob
lakas.
thought this was just a prank by his
Labas mo
parents.
yung
SpongeBob opened the
mga
door and asked him what was wrong.
Ay, lalabas to.
Labas mo lahat sa labas mo. Labas mo pa kayo
Ito, Timothy, oh.
Timothy, yung tasa sa kapit siya, labas. Ilabas.
Tom's parents appeared and asked SpongeBob who he was.
Labas mo
SpongeBob
yung mga
demanded to know
tasa.
who his parents. He was driven mad by these
Ayun,
evil
no, labas mo
doppelgangers
sa
until
labas.
he hit a
Pati
wooden
yung
pole
picture,
and
labas
passed
mo.
out. Sponge Tom's dad suggested putting him on a bus to
Labas.
get him out of there.
Pati
SpongeBob
yan,
woke
labas
up
yung
to see his
kasi
new
yung
friends. He
nakakatawa.
thought
Timothy,
he was
kunin mo yung
everyone
plato.
in his dream had been replaced.
Plato
This
mo
fake
yung mga
world
tasa,
really
labas.
existed. SpongeBob
Oh!
fell asleep from exhaustion and missed his stop. The bus
Dahan-dahan,
sped to the
dahilin
title
mo lang
zone. It
sa
stopped in
labas.
front of a watermelon house.
Dahan-dahan lang,
SpongeBob got
sa
off the
labas.
bus, exhausted. The boy wanted to get billiards, so he started copying the moves of a champion player.
Okay na.
The man was practicing straight shots with the
Pasok
white
na kayo
cue
dito.
ball. The boy also placed the cue ball and tried to do the same, but the boy didn't have the right technique. Just then, the man walked over
Dito
to
na
him.
kayo.
Ikaw ba ang
After that,
banyaw-nyan
the
niya?
man started making straight shots very easily. Then the man covered his face with a towel to rest for a while. The curious boy copied him too and covered his face with a towel. After resting
na
for a
kayo.
while, the boy got up. He felt that his concentration had become sharper than ever before. Recognizing the boy's talent, the man accepted him as a student. His skills started to I can make you see you. You're doing pretty good for something, man. I don't know, Jimmy Doc, son. We're just gonna go. Oh, I didn't see Jimmy's
Ayaw ka agad tuwaan ni ano eh. Pagalit ako kay Mama eh.
Bakit?
Ayaw ka pinakalat eh.
Ano yun?